Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by working methodically. Disconnect the battery negative to avoid shorts, and remove trim now so you can access the head unit. Once done, unfasten screws and gently pull the radio out far enough to reach the harness. Use a multimeter to confirm there is 12V on the accessory line and ground continuity. This tells you power is present versus a supply issue. Make sure to label the connectors so reassembly is painless, and keep screws in a small tray. You now inspect the volume control and wiring. If the knob feels loose or gritty, the potentiometer contacts are likely dirty or worn. Once accessible, apply contact cleaner sparingly into the pot and rotate it back and forth to break up oxidation. That restores smooth electrical contact. Meanwhile, probe the speaker outputs and any RCA line-level outputs with a multimeter or a test speaker to confirm signal presence. If outputs are fine, focus on the control. If not, trace wiring to the amp. You finish by reconnecting the harness and making sure the ground strap is tight before reconnecting the battery. Once powered, set volume at a moderate level and adjust balance and fade to verify each channel responds. Make sure loudness or EQ presets aren't limiting output. Reset settings if needed. If volume still fails, inspect the amplifier fuse and 12V constant and remote turn-on wires. Test speaker impedance for shorts, and consider swapping the head unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.